Now you will notice that on my timeline I have got this tiny little triangle top left hand corner of this second clip. Now that indicates that that is not trimmed. It means that is all the footage that is there. Now you can use your trim tools. There's a default trim tool that occurs when you're using your selection tool. So hover your cursor to the left hand or the right hand side of a clip. Now if I mouse down, I can drag out the portion of the clip that I didn't include when I trimmed my clip. So if you find you trimmed your clip too much, you can always add a little bit more in. It never actually deletes anything, it's just what you actually see of that clip. And you'll see I can also trim from the left hand side, but this will unfortunately leave a gap. Now if I want to trim without leaving a gap, I can switch to the Ripple Trim tool. Now the Ripple Trim tool is listed in the toolbox. Okay, you've got the Ripple Edit tool. The Ripple Edit tool. Now when you trim a clip, it will trim it and remove the gap. Now you can also access that feature by holding down Command or Control while using the standard trim, which you get when you move your cursor over the left hand or right hand side of a clip with the selection tool selected. Command or Control acts as a modifier, shortcutting to that feature. Very useful when you want to edit something very quickly.